Hello, and welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, your go-to destination for natural, safe, and effective solutions for all your common health concerns. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos. In today's video, we're going to explore some amazing home remedies to soothe strep throat and coughing and help you battle the discomfort of strep throat without relying on over-the-counter medicines. We know that strep throat can be really annoying and painful, and having a cough with it can make it even worse. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We're going to dive into some tried and true natural remedies backed by science that will not only help alleviate your symptoms, but also boost your immune system in the process. Make sure to watch until the section on how to know if your home remedy is working. You don't want to miss it. So, grab your notepad, sit back, and get ready to learn some incredible DIY remedies that'll bring comfort and relief right in the coziness of your own home. Before we delve into these methods to ease strep throat pain, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Strep throat is a bacterial infection caused by Streptococcus pyogenes, or Group A Streptococcus, that affects the throat and tonsils. It can be quite painful, frustrating, and draining, making it difficult for you to go about your daily activities. This can be even worse if it is accompanied by a cough. The symptoms of strep throat can include a sudden onset of a severe sore throat, pain when swallowing, fever, red and swollen tonsils, sometimes with white patches or small red spots on the roof of the mouth, and swollen lymph nodes in the neck. In some cases, people might also experience headaches, nausea, or a rash known as scarlet fever. While coughing is not a typical symptom of strep throat, it can sometimes occur alongside the condition, especially if there is an associated viral infection, such as a common cold or the flu. Strep throat primarily causes a sore throat, difficulty swallowing, and inflammation. But the presence of an additional infection or irritation of the throat can lead to coughing as well. That said, it's important to remember that coughing is a common symptom of many different respiratory infections and illnesses, so it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment. We know that dealing with these symptoms can be incredibly challenging and uncomfortable, and we understand how tough it can be to deal with this condition. Here at Home Remedy Rescue, we genuinely care about your well-being, and our goal is to help you find natural, effective ways to alleviate pain and offer guidance and support on ways to benefit your health. Rest assured, we'll do our best to help you find relief and get back on track to a happier, healthier, more vibrant you. Here are 5 effective home remedies to soothe the discomfort of strep throat, help speed up your recovery, and boost your immune system. 1. Warm saltwater gargle. Gargling with warm salt water can help soothe a sore throat, reduce inflammation, and even kill bacteria. To prepare this remedy, dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for a few seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this process several times a day to experience relief from throat discomfort. 2. Honey and lemon. Honey is renowned for its natural antibacterial and soothing properties, making it an excellent remedy for strep throat. Lemon, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C, which can help boost your immune system. Combine honey and lemon to create a powerful and comforting remedy. Mix a tablespoon of honey and the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water or herbal tea and sip on this concoction throughout the day. 3. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile, licorice root, and slippery elm are known for their anti-inflammatory and soothing effects on the throat, and they can help alleviate pain and promote healing. Drinking these warm teas can provide comfort, keep you hydrated, and potentially aid in reducing throat inflammation. Adding honey and lemon to your tea can further enhance this soothing and immune-boosting effects. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is rich in acetic acid, which has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Dilute 1 tablespoon of ACV in a glass of warm water and gargle with it for a few seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this process several times a day to help combat the bacterial infection and soothe throat irritation. 5. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for an extended period. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that can help support your immune system and reduce inflammation. Drinking warm bone broth can also provide comfort to your throat and help keep you hydrated. Incorporate it into your daily diet, especially when battling strep throat, to benefit from its immune-boosting properties. Remember that while these remedies can help alleviate symptoms and promote recovery, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms worsen or persist for more than a few days. Antibiotics might be necessary to treat the underlying bacterial infection. Before we discuss methods to determine if your home remedy is working, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. How can I tell if a home remedy is working effectively in reducing my strep throat symptoms and promoting recovery? To determine if a home remedy is effectively reducing your strep throat symptoms and promoting recovery, you should monitor the progress of your symptoms and overall well-being. Keep in mind that it's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment, as strep throat is a bacterial infection that typically requires antibiotics. Here are some general indicators to help you assess the effectiveness of a home remedy. Pain relief. One of the primary symptoms of strep throat is a painful, scratchy sore throat. If the home remedy provides some relief from throat pain, it might be working to alleviate your symptoms. Reduce inflammation. Strep throat often causes inflammation and redness in the throat. If you notice a reduction in these symptoms, the home remedy might be helping. Swallowing ease. Difficulty swallowing is another common symptom of strep throat. If you find that swallowing becomes easier with the home remedy, this could indicate that your home remedy is starting to work. Reduced fever. Strep throat can cause a fever. If your fever subsides or becomes more manageable, the home remedy might be contributing to your recovery. Improved energy levels. Fatigue is a common symptom of strep throat. If your energy levels improve, the home remedy might be working to promote recovery. Overall well-being. If you begin to feel better overall and notice a general improvement in your condition, the home remedy could be helping. Are there any immune-boosting foods or supplements that can help my body fight off the strep throat infection more effectively? Although no specific foods or supplements can cure strep throat, maintaining a healthy immune system can help your body fight off infections more effectively. While antibiotics are the standard treatment for strep throat, you can support your immune system by consuming a balanced diet rich in immune-boosting nutrients. Here are some suggestions. Vitamin C. This antioxidant can help support the immune system. Rich sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, berries, kiwi, melons, papaya, pineapple, mango, and vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, spinach, and tomatoes. Vitamin D. This nutrient is essential for a healthy immune system. Sources include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, fortified dairy and plant-based milk, eggs, and sunlight exposure. Zinc. This mineral helps maintain a healthy immune response. Foods rich in zinc include meat, shellfish, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas, seeds, nuts, dairy, eggs, and whole grains. Vitamin E, another antioxidant that supports immune health. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, and fortified cereals. Vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for a healthy immune system. Foods high in vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, cantaloupe, apricots, and fortified dairy products. Probiotics. Beneficial bacteria that promote gut health and support immune function. Sources include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and other fermented foods. Hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain overall health and supports the immune system. Stay well hydrated by drinking water, herbal teas, and consuming water-rich fruits and vegetables. Is strep throat contagious? If so, how do I prevent spreading it? Yes, strep throat is contagious. It is caused by the bacterium Streptococcus pyogenes, also known as Group A Streptococcus. The infection can spread through respiratory droplets when an infected person talks, coughs, or sneezes. It can also spread by sharing utensils, food, or beverages with someone who has the infection. To prevent spreading strep throat, maintain good hygiene. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after coughing or sneezing. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer if soap and water are not available. Cover your mouth and nose. When you cough or sneeze, use a tissue or the crook of your elbow to cover your mouth and nose. Dispose of used tissues in a lined trash can and wash your hands immediately. Avoid close contact. Try to avoid close contact with others while you're infected, especially with those who have weakened immune systems, such as young children, elderly people, and those with chronic illnesses. Stay home. If you have strep throat, it's essential to stay home from work, school, or social gatherings to prevent spreading the infection to others. Don't share personal items. Avoid sharing personal items such as utensils, toothbrushes, towels, or pillows with others to minimize the risk of transmission. Clean and disinfect. Regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces in your home, such as doorknobs, light switches, and countertops to prevent the spread of bacteria. Follow your healthcare provider's advice. If you've been diagnosed with strep throat, your healthcare provider will likely prescribe antibiotics to treat the infection. Make sure to take the full course of antibiotics as prescribed, even if you start feeling better before the medication is finished. By following these precautions, you can help reduce the risk of spreading strep throat to others. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. We hope you enjoyed and found value in the 5 methods to reduce the pain and discomfort of strep throat. We were glad to also share additional information on how to boost your immune system and how to avoid the spread of strep throat. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and take care.